guys, so it's just me, blue, tea, and red A. I don't know where the rest of the Crayolas are, but like...
Man, I'm surprised. But we're not gonna say it right now.
We do?
Yeah.
Help me! Ah!
What is it?
No. Is this a therapy session?
Yeah.
No, help me, guys.
And how does that make you feel?
Ah!
This makes me feel like...
No.
It's Friday, guys.
Friday.
Wait,
Ah, no!
Friday.
Guys, I need a mirror. Wait, I need a mirror. Wait, I need a mirror.
No!
The vlog.
The mirror.
The vlog is not a mirror.
Yeah, but
I was trying to
like,
make a
if
loop.
mirrors do it, like,
Give me a can.
Oh, it's official that Isaac goes for guys and girls.
Isaac goes by what?
What?
Isaac goes.
Oh my god! Guys, look it! Guys, look it!
Ow, what the hell?
Oh my god, Anthony's
Get out of here.
Oh my god, Anthony's growing a beard!
So, Delia's not here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Leah's not here.
Yeah, but we're letting them know. We're letting the viewers know. We know that.
No!
You need to bring your mask then. I was trying to hit. You knew we were going to be recording for today. We're going to buy you a mask. Here, you want to take it?
That's so bad.
Hi!
Ridiculous how bad you missed.
How does it feel to not be a Crayola?
You're late.
I'm not.
Oh, what the heck?
Look.
Jason, I swear to Jesus. Okay, I'm a special guest star, and guys, don't mind me, you know.
Delia's not here, so
Look
we
at
have
watch,
Brianna.
watch. Hold this, hold this.
Somebody's gonna get hurt. It's probably gonna be me.
You're covering the camera.
You're covering the camera.
My bad.
Look at my outfit, guys. It's like. I had a lazy day until I woke up at 6. I woke up at 6:86 and I woke up at 6 o'clock. And I only have 15 minutes to get dressed and stuff.
Pick it up, right?
7.
Yeah.
Sounds
Please,
good.
thank you so much. Don't forget
That's why you
the
come
candy
late to
wrappers,
class.
guys.
Who, me?
I don't come with class.
Thank you.
I come back.
I'm never late.
Bad kid here.
So guys, serious this therapy session. Let's play the sad music. Stop!
I'm a serial killer slash murderer.
Consent! You don't have my consent to throw stuff at me.
You just elbowed me in my eye.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you for picking that up.
Okay, guys, play the sad music.
Sir?
How did that anything in the eye make you feel?
It hurt. It hurt.
How did it make you feel, Isaac?
I didn't get hit in the eye.
It doesn't matter.
How did it make you feel funny?
You are the father.
Wait, what? Wait, who's the mother?
Tina.
The Murray show.
But Susie.
I know I did a lot of girls, but...
But Isaac's cheating on Tina with Susie.
What?
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 What is it?
It's
What?
Jared's finger.
Jason set this up.
I don't know what's happening anymore.
Jason set us up because he took Aaron's mandate.
Plus, I'm the murderer here, so...
You are the father.
You are.
They said, did you ever have any sexual contact with somebody else named Susie? That was a lie.
Let's see, Rebecca...
Stop! Okay, ready guys? Here's the mother...
So, Daniel is actually my man.
I straight up killed you for free.
I got murder on my...
Can't improve on perfection.
Wake up in the morning.
If you want someone dead, I'll cost you $50.
$50? You're cheap.
Yeah, I mean...
Sing it, Isaac.
I don't know the lyrics.
Just sing the first part.
I got the whole system.
Wake up in the morning.
Murder.
I got breakfast on my mind.
AK-47.
Wake up in the morning, I got breakfast on my mind.
Let me...
I need a number 2, a number 4, 2 number 9.
see
Can you add a sauce?
Now he knows it.
Cheese with hash browns on the side.
Oh.
How do you know? What, is that an actual song?
Yeah.
Have you seen that meme where
Look up breakfast online. These guys are just sitting in the drive-thru, and they're like singing into a box where you order like in the drive-thru. They're just singing, and it's like midnight.
What the heck? Okay, sing it again. Sing it again.
It ain't even morning. I got breakfast on my mind. I need a number 2 or number 4, 2 number.
I mean, I would sing along, but I don't know the
Yeah, sing along, dude.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Play it. Everybody got like play it on YouTube. You got a phone? I'm an earphone bro. Yeah, take them out. Play on YouTube. These guys need to watch
Yeah,
it.
I'm there, guys.
Why won't you do it? My phone's connected to this Wi-Fi. That's bad.
Yeah, my Wi-Fi.
It's firewalls, bro.
The Wi-Fi here is
can
trash.
Then don't use the Wi-Fi.
What are you doing to Charles Darwin? Oh my God!
Charles Darwin.
Miss Bubba's gonna kill you too.
Die tomorrow. Well, actually not tomorrow.
Charles Darwin, I'm so sorry for you.
Oh.
What the heck is it?
Do you see it?
Look what they did to Charles Darwin.
Hold on. They need to move.
Ready? On the way?
He's in the way.
Whoa,
Jason, you want
Wait, do you see it? They did something to his hair.
Down.
Oh, they're on the way.
Jason, don't. You want to have kids in the future, right? Then don't do it. Rip Charles Darwin.
Oh, look.
Oh my god, he's actually getting a beard.
Stop.
No, I don't see it.
All right, guys.
Copyright.
Oh, no.
Monetize.
I have to shave it today, though, because I have a show. So, haha.
Enchiladas with the side of.
Too late, Susie. We already got it.
Yeah, you know.
Guys, we should make a college documentary.
What?
Documentary.
Oh yeah. About you. We just hop out the car.
About me.
I'll record.
Okay, guys, ready? Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Video, though. Which one are we going to use?
Oh, this one looks better. Jason, do you have all of us?
No.
Jason, get
Jason, get farther!
Wait, where's the picture button?
Oh my god.
Ah,
the
Sam.
wrong guy.
Okay. Got it. I thought that was like the switch camera.
Takes a picture of himself.
I can't tell if I'm taking a whole bunch. How should I hold it?
How long does it take a picture?
Let me get glasses out of here.
Okay. Keep posing. Keep posing.
Oh my
Keep
god,
posing.
Jason,
Keep posing.
it doesn't
Keep
work.
posing. Keep posing. Keep posing.
No, that one was
Keep
better.
posing.
He's taking pictures of himself.
Keep posing. Keep posing. Keep posing. Keep posing. Keep posing.
No! Okay, guys. We are back on track. Now, college documentary. Documentary!
Good morning. This is
Freshman documentary.
day 1 of high school.
This is not day one. This is
We're
like
like
the
30
third
days left of the damn school year.
This is day
one. We're a
4.
month and a half into the school year. I mean,
Get it back right. I can.
ew, who wrote this?
Really?
No one likes the Raiders.
That is not true. The Raiders are amazing.
Raiders suck. You're weak.
Raiders
not gonna
suck.
lie. Look, dude, they like
Football
they lost
sucks.
to the Browns.
Oh my god, I just started a whole war.
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
When did the bell ring, guys?
Right now?
Bye!
Do-rag.
Bye!
Run away. Go. Run.
This was just full of chaos.
What?
I don't know what's happening.
I'm confused.
Oh, wait. This is the end of our vlog, guys.
Oh yeah, it is.
Bye. Oh, wait. 420. That was less. That was weeks ago.
I know.
Bye. April.
Oh, I'm older.
Brianna, tell us how you feel. You're officially part of the
Okay,
Crayolas.
so, wait, tell me, shut up. Wait, what?
You're officially part of the Crayolas.
Oh, what color?
Oh,
What color?
When's your birthday?
turquoise.
Oh, okay.
No, you're
Do
green.
we get?
You're green.
I don't like the color green.
Oh, hey.
But I'm already blue.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's true. We already have a blue.
Oh,
Take that shit
magenta.
off. Take that off.
We already have a purple.
Black.
Okay. Yeah.
No, wait, I'm gold. I want to be gold. I want to be
Gold?
gold.
Okay, she's gold.
Okay.
You can look the bag really quick.
Why did he look like Andrew Garfield?
Look at all those tries she's eating.
ASMR,
Then we got Isaac. He's dressed up in his freaking full costume.
I'm the rich
He's wearing socks and
Rich guy?
sandals like a fucking weirdo.
Oh wow, I just realized that. Then we got Tita. Hey.
ASMR with Brianna.
Dolly is a. Let's do that. Give the vlog some. What the hell? Wow. There you go. That's mine. I want it.
I want some.
Got Aaron. He's not in the Crayolas, but you
Pass
know.
it around. Pass it around.
Oh, this smoking joint. That's what I do.
Don't eat your hair. I think. Oh, okay. So someone, the fire alarm got pulled. Your bun? Oh, also it's raining. Yeah, we're gonna be sitting out in the field while it's raining. Yeah, because the fire alarm place is in the field. Where's Dahlia? Want to catch up to her? And we're also gonna record the rally on Friday. Yeah. Susie, look. Susie, look. Dahlia. Hey, Dahlia. This is today's vlog.
Okay, we were in the middle of notes and beat that out.
Yeah, well, I got you.
And then like the fire alarm went on and I was like, oh my god. Like I was already having a headache and it made me have a headache.
I bet somebody started a fire in the middle of the cafeteria.
They didn't even warn us about having one. I was like, okay. It's like,
And it's hella raining right now. My phone's hella wet. Damn, you're wearing only a shirt too. Put on your jacket.
it's right here.
I know. Why don't you put it on?
What's the fuck?
You trying
This is the only thing I'm worrying about.
Ah, I just got water in my eye.
Guys, we're gonna die.
We're gonna die.
I'm kidding.
Don't jinx us. Oh, there's should we show the guy? They're throwing a baby like a football. Look. This hoodie. I'm just gonna let my phone get wet then. Ready? This is gonna be our. Wait, I was just gonna drop my phone. I said I was just gonna drop my phone and see how it looks on the camera.
Do it.
My phone's even more wet now.
Hey, I didn't drop it. He did.
No, it's Tina dropped my phone. She's about to break it too. Oh, we're walking back.
What the heck was that for?
Watch the fire alarm go off again.
That was not very.
See? This is why I'm jealous of Dahlia right now, because we have to suffer, we have glasses, and our lenses are gonna get all watered.
Oh my god.
Welcome to your C-section, Tita. Welcome to your C-section.
Hi.
Brianna, she's the gold Crayola. I don't know how the hell Crayolas would come out with gold, but okay.
Okay, just play yellow with a little bit.
Shouldn't you have a generic color? Because we all have generic colors.
Yeah, but I like gold.
I do too, but I'm jealous of you.
Gold is a color in the color box.
It's one of those colors that nobody uses.
Yeah,
It's only used by the rich white people and the rich white kids.
What the what? Huh?
The rich white kids who are able to get the 24-pack of Crayolas. Well, no, it's a 64-pack Crayola can. That's what I'm talking. Yeah. This is our therapy. This is our therapy session.
So how are you guys doing today? Comment down below. Comment down below.
Oh, she almost ate. Okay, go ahead.
Hit up my DMs if you ever need to talk.
I'm gonna have a boyfriend.
Hey, so I'm really nice. It doesn't matter. My boyfriend's really nice.
And then you guys, look at my hat. I stole it from my boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, it comes today.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh my god.
I've been single for 2 years.
See, look at that. You guys see this? Do you guys see this? Look at. Where's the phone? There we go.
I'm about to flip that. I'm about to flip this video so many times because you just flipped it all this way around.
I'm roller coaster.
Yeah, every time you flip it, the camera doesn't flip with it, so in the editor I have to flip the footage. It's funny. And then we got Susie. Then we have Isaac. What is it? Huh?
Hey Bye. Welcome back to our vlog. So right now we're in biology. We're coloring. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to spice it up because I know our vlogs be a little boring. I can't be live.
You made some content.
You know what? Tomorrow we have rally, and I guess it's kind of fun if everybody participates. You know.
We are not sharpening with my sharpeners. You see these right here? No, look right there. There's like 10 of them. Yeah, just 10 of them.
Anyway, we're coloring now, and I have a piece of chocolate. It's his world because I'm the world best. I'm kidding. Anyway.
You charge this.
Anyway, I hope you guys will have a good day. If you guys want to talk to me, oh my god, I just dropped my pencil. Hold on. I'll be right back. Yay, thank you. I'm back. Anyway, if you guys want to talk, my Instagram is down below. And because I'm a good therapist and I give good advice. I'm very nice myself. I think out of all out of everyone in the group, I'm the nicest. Okay, bye.